Namaskar. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I shall be talking about different aspects related to infertility. Earlier, we had discussed about who needs IVF, polycystic ovarian syndrome, endometriosis, and today I shall be talking about IUI or intrauterine insemination. Please do subscribe to my channel to get the latest information on infertility. IUI or intrauterine insemination is a very simple procedure in which the husband's semen is taken and the motile sperms from that is separated through a special process, and this is then injected directly into the uterus. This helps in two ways. One, a very high concentrate of motile sperms is put as close to the site of the egg as possible, and secondly, we bypass the possible hostile environment of the vagina and the cervix and we put these sperms directly into the uterus. This procedure is used for couples who have a borderline low sperm count or when all the investigations are normal and they fall in the so-called unexplained infertility category. It is also used when donor sperms are needed and is many times used as a treatment for couples who have mild endometriosis or where the main issue is polycystic ovarian syndrome. For IUI to succeed, we need a certain minimum amount of sperms. It cannot be offered if the sperm count is very low, and at least one of the fallopian tube has to be functioning and open. This involves various steps. After a thorough examination, the wife is put on certain medications to increase the number of eggs up to 2 or 3. This can be with the help of tablets or injections or a combination of both. We then carry out regular serial sonography to see how the ovaries and the uterus are responding. When the follicles have reached the right size, an injection to trigger the final maturation is given and the IUI is planned approximately 36 to 38 hours after this trigger injection. The husband's semen is taken, it is processed by one of the various methods and a concentrate of motile sperms is separated out. This concentrate is then very gently introduced or injected into the uterus. This procedure is done without anesthesia. It is a very simple outpatient procedure. There is no need for any rest. A couple of minutes of rest till the patient is comfortable is more than enough. The patient is then given certain medications to support a pregnancy. This could be in the form of an injection or vaginal tablets. And 2 weeks after the procedure, a blood test or a urine test is done to see whether the woman is pregnant. The success rate of this procedure, if we use only tablets, is around 8 to 10%. If we add injections or if we use only injections, it is around 16 to 17%. This success rate remains good till 3 attempts. But if 3 good attempts are not successful, or sometimes earlier, if the semen count is not very good or if the woman is older, then the success of IUI falls and we then need to proceed with other advanced procedure. So IUI forms a very basic and simple part of infertility treatment, but it should be carried out only up to a restricted number of attempts because the success rate of IUI is limited and that too only up to the first 3 or 4 attempts.